Hello everyone, myself Shubhangi Saiswal. This year I have given the exam of my 10th boards, in which I have scored the 99 marks in maths and 98 marks in science. It's a very great and celebrating thing for me. Especially I want to give my big gratitude to Ravi sir and Naseem sir for always there to encourage me, motivate me and helps me to clear all my doubts as well. I feel very blessed and thankful to the day when I joined the Perfect Coaching Center. Thank you, sir, for everything.
Hi there, I am Pratham. I was a student of Perfect Coaching Center at Periatola. I would thank my teachers, Ravi sir and Naseem sir, to guide me in such a way that I had scored well in maths and science because I was a very bad student at mathematics, especially I used to fear from it, but due to the guidance of Ravi sir and the continuously being given test and all of that, I have improved a lot and pursued maths in my class 11th also. Naseem sir had also played an important role in shaping my science. He used to tell us facts, he used to explain the mechanism behind the reactions, mechanism behind the biological things that are happening in our body. He used to make us visualize so that we can write it. I don't think I have to remember anything in such that I need to मतलब याद करने टाइप कुछ नहीं था. हम लोग को बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ाया गया था, टाइम टाइम पे पेपर दिया जाता था, बहुत अच्छा था. एक आपस में एक फ्रेंडली कंपटीशन टाइप का भी माहौल था, बहुत अच्छा लगता था.
Jai Hind everyone, myself Swarna Pandey and I got 92 marks in mathematics, which was next to impossible for me without the guidance of Ravi sir, our maths teacher. So I will really like to thank the entire teacher of Perfect Coaching Center and especially Ravi sir. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Ayushi Omar and I am one of the students of Perfect Coaching Center. I have scored 94% in boards and that's all because of the efforts and hard work of teachers of Perfect Coaching Center. I suggest all the students who are facing some sort of problems in maths and science to join Perfect Coaching Center as it will clear all your doubts and build your concept very well so that you will never find any difficulty in your further studies. Thank you.
It's myself Vaibhav Agarwal and I have joined Perfect Coaching Center from class 9 for maths class and I have scored 96 marks in CBSE class 10. This is only possible with the support and hard work of Ravi sir in success of my maths number. I thank Ravi sir and Perfect Coaching Center for all of this and hard work. Thank you, Ravi sir.
Hey everyone, my name is Govind Pandey and I've scored 95 marks in my maths and 94 marks in my science. I've joined Perfect Coaching Center since my class 9th. It helped me a lot in my concept clarity and doubt clearing. Teachers are very experienced and they help you at every step of your preparation for your boards. So thanks to all my teachers for their support for my preparation.
My name is Farnim Verma. This year I have given the exams of board in which I secured 91 marks in maths. This is the result of my hard work and especially the hard work of my coaching teacher Ravi sir. I would like to thank him for supporting me and clearing my doubt related to the topics and providing extra notes related to the topic and taking the regularly exams so that our practice is maintained. Once more, thank you. Thank you, sir, for supporting me and believing in me that I have suffered such a number.